Good afternoon, Erin. One man died after a serious crash in Holderness Thursday afternoon, according to New Hampshire State Police. Around 12:49 p.m., Holderness police were notified of a crash near Masteron Road on US Route 3. Police said the crash involved two cars, a Toyota Ram and a Nissan Maruno. Investigators revealed that the Toyota driver, driven by Michael Higgins, was headed southbound, and the Nissan Maroon driver, driven by Jennifer Heath, was headed northbound. State police said the Toyota appeared to have crossed over the solid yellow lines and into the travel lane of the Nissan Maroon, resulting in a mostly head-on collision. Higgins, 56, of Weymouth, Massachusetts, sustained serious life-threatening injuries. Higgins was taken to Spear Memorial Hospital in Plymouth, where she later died of her injuries. His injuries. Heath, 46, of Alton, was taken to Lakes Regional General Hospital, where she was treated for minor injuries. New Hampshire State Police Collision Analyst and Recreation Unit responded at the request of the Holderness Police Department, and the Office of the Medical Examiner was called to assist at Spear Memorial Hospital. US Route 3 was closed and traffic was diverted around the collision for about 4 hours. State police said it appears that alcohol was a factor in this crash, but that the crash still remains under investigation. Anyone with additional information about this crash is asked to contact New Hampshire State Police at 603-223-8677. Reporting live here outside the Holderness Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Erin, back over to you.